Welcome to Cyber Theo. Today, we're diving into the immersive world of virtual reality by setting up and playing with the Oculus Quest 3. Whether you're a VR enthusiast or a first-timer, this guide will help you get started with your Oculus Quest 3, from unboxing to diving into your first VR game. Unboxing the Oculus Quest 3. What's in the box? Carefully unbox your Oculus Quest 3. Inside, you'll find the headset, controllers, a charging cable, and an instruction manual. Make sure everything is included before moving on. Charging the headset. Plug in the headset using the provided charging cable. It's best to fully charge it before your first use. Initial setup. Power on the device. Hold down the power button on the headset until you see the Oculus logo. Fit the headset. Adjust the straps to ensure the headset fits snugly and comfortably on your head. The lenses can be adjusted for clarity. Pairing the controllers should automatically pair with the headset. If not, follow the on-screen instructions to pair them manually. Setting up your play area. Define your boundaries. Use the Oculus Quest 3's Guardian system to define your play area. This is crucial to avoid obstacles and ensure safety while playing. Seated or standing. Decide whether you'll be playing seated or standing, and select the appropriate option during setup. Connecting to Wi-Fi and Oculus account. Wi-Fi connection. Connect the Oculus Quest 3 to your Wi-Fi network by following the on-screen instructions. Oculus account. Log into your Oculus account, or create one if you're new to the platform. Downloading and installing games. Access the Oculus Store. Once connected, open the Oculus Store from the main menu. Browse games. Explore the wide selection of games and apps available. Many popular VR titles like Beat Saber, Superhot VR, and Resident Evil 4 VR are ready to download. Install a game. Choose a game and install it directly to your Oculus Quest 3. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few minutes. Playing your first VR game. Launching a game. Once installed, navigate to your library, select the game, and launch it. In-game controls. Get familiar with the controls by following the in-game tutorials. The Oculus controllers are intuitive, with buttons for movement, interaction, and menu access. Adjusting settings. If needed, adjust settings like volume, graphics, and comfort options to enhance your experience. Exploring VR features. Hand tracking. The Oculus Quest 3 features hand tracking, allowing you to interact with the virtual environment without controllers. Try it out in supported games and apps. Multiplayer experiences. Some games offer multiplayer modes, where you can connect and play with friends or other players online. Maintaining your Oculus Quest 3. Cleaning the lenses. Use a microfiber cloth to gently clean the lenses to prevent smudges. Battery care. Regularly charge the headset and controllers, but avoid overcharging to prolong battery life. You're now ready to dive into the incredible world of virtual reality with your Oculus Quest 3. Whether you're exploring new worlds, playing intense games, or watching VR videos, the possibilities are endless. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching Cyber Theo.